So guys, this is a very powerful strategy I want to share with you guys. So watch this video to the end, turn on your notification bell, subscribe to this channel, drop good reviews if you have been using our strategies. Watch this video to the end. There's so much value to get from this. So this is the strategy that's working for us for the past couple of weeks. I and the VIP have been making a lot of money from this strategy. You can see we are on a trade right now. You can see we are making profit right now. I'm happy. Everybody is happy. The VIPs are winning. You can see our wins. This is our trades, guys. Feel free to join us, guys. Feel free to join this channel. I'm going to be dropping the link to this channel on the description of this video, so you can join up. And also feel free to message me on WhatsApp. You can ask anything you want to ask. If you have any challenges, you can come to my WhatsApp and I'll be here to guide you guys. So yeah, I'll be dropping the link to my WhatsApp also on the description of this video. So do well to chat me up whenever you need any assistance. All right, see the VIPs, we're winning. You want to join us, guys? It's very affordable. Guys. It's very affordable. So yep, we're making a lot of money from this, guys. You can see I'll be showing you guys how we do this in a very simple way but very powerful. All right, so watch to the end, guys. Watch to the end. So we'll be using just two powerful indicators for this strategy. All right, like I said, it's very key. I keep saying it's very key to use price action to decide to make decisions, guys. So it's very important that you know price action. All right, you can enroll in my mentorship program. If you don't know, price action is very affordable. I will teach you all there is to know, guys. All right, so first thing to do is go to a higher time frame and see the market direction. As you can see, we are on a steady downtrend. All right, you can see the series of lower lows and lower highs and all of that. So you go back to you know where the market is headed, and you'll be looking for selling opportunities at this point. So this is it, guys. I'll be showing you how to use these powerful indicators to decide your entries. All right, stay close, watch to the end. For newbies who just got in and don't really know how to add these indicators, I'll be showing you guys. All right, you'll be using 30 minutes time frame, guys, for this strategy. So all right, for the newbies, you simply go here, click this F sign. All right, click that F sign and it will take you to where to add your indicators. So in this strategy, we'll be using just two moving averages on our main chart. All right, so you simply add two moving averages on your main chart. If you click the F sign here, the F plus sign there, and it will take you here where you can find and add your indicator. So here you'll be using moving average period 50, shift close, method exponential, apply to close, styles. You can see 3 pixels. Use any color of your choice, and after that you click done, and then add the second moving average. All right, the first one is 20 moving average, 20 period moving average. All right, you can see I need to screenshot this and set it up when you are ready. All right, I don't want this video to be long, so you click done and then add the second one, which is the 50 period moving average. All right, see the setting, set it up, and you're done. All right, so we know the market is going downwards, so we are looking to get selling opportunities. All right, so what does the indicator do for you guys? You simply allow price to cross your indicator. If it crosses to the downside, we are looking for selling opportunities. Of course, we are looking to see it see price cross this indicator to the downside, and we wait. All right, this is a secret. We wait for the market to go back to retest that place. As you can see here, it broke here, it broke the moving average, it crossed over, and then it goes back a little and and touches the moving average again, and then price starts dropping, guys. It drops rapidly. All right, we already took a trade here, we already entered around here, and we went out somewhere around here. This is a second time we entered the trade. All right, this is the second time we entered the trade. The VIPs are winning. We entered the trade the second time here because price dropped a bit, broke this resistance here, or broke this support here, and then turned it into resistance by retesting that place, and then created a structure here, guys. So we took another sell and we're in massive profit, guys. So this is how this works. It's very simple. It's just for you to know the right things to do and do it correctly, guys. So yep, you can see. Let me show you guys other places where this strategy works perfectly. You can see at this level, you can see price crosses the moving averages. At this point, it even crossed the two moving averages, guys. It crossed here and then it started going down, guys. So you want to see price cross your moving average to the downside, so you take a sell and it goes straight all the way to profit, guys. All right, let me show you more examples. This is a perfect example again. All right, price comes, crosses the moving average to the downside, and then boom, all the way to the down, guys. So this is very simple, guys. All you need to do is know your key levels, know where to place your zones and all of that, and then set up these indicators and you are good to go, guys. This is very simple. This strategy works for virtually all the pairs, guys. I'll show you guys more examples. You see, price crosses the moving average here to the downside, and then in this case I would wait to see if it crosses the second one, which it did, and I'll place my sell around here, and it will take me all the way down, guys. A lot of money can be made. You can make a lot of money from here. All right, make $200 to $300 daily. It's very possible, guys. You just need to sit down and follow the right thing, do it correctly, and you make money, guys. All right, you make money. Okay, make a lot of money, guys. Make a lot of money. So let me show you guys how the strategy works for boom. It works perfectly, guys, for boom. It works for almost every pair. All right, this is boom 1000. Excuse me. All right, so you want to, this is boom, so you want to be buying when the market is in an upward trend. All right, as you can see in the higher time frame, you can see the market is going upwards. All right, this is an uptrend, obviously, so you want to be looking for buying opportunities. All right, and then in this case, guys, it's directly opposite what happened to what happens when the market is in the downtrend. All right, so this time around you want to see your price cross over the moving average from below to the top. All right, once it crosses over to the top, and then you can buy and it will take you to the upside, right? But then you need to always apply price action. You need to know your key levels. Like I said, it's very key that you know these things, guys. If you don't know price action, you can talk to me, come to my inbox. I'll drop my WhatsApp link in the description of this video, so you can get across to me directly without stress, and I'll guide you, I'll mentor you, I'll help you with price action, all right, at a very, very affordable rate. And you can also join us on our VIP channels. You can join our VIP channel. You can join us. It's very affordable. Join our VIP. See what we are doing. All right. Feel free to join this channel. This is a free channel. You can join us here, and then we will be showing you how things go, guys. We share analysis. You know, we share analysis how every day. We share analysis every day. We teach people. All right. We teach our members a lot of things every day, so there's a lot of value to get from here. So you just need to join us. Feel free to join this free channel. If you want our VIP signals, it's very affordable. You can get to make a lot of money, guys. Make a lot of money for yourself. All right, so let me show you guys how this works for crash. All right, let me show you how this works for crash. This is how to catch multiple spikes. If you want to catch spikes using this strategy, you simply allow price come to you. All right, once price comes to you, it crosses the moving average to the upside. This is for boom 1000. All right, it crosses the moving average to the upside, and then this was supposed to be a resistance here, and it broke it and turned it to support. All right, you can see the market break the resistance from below. All right, it breaks the resistance, it crosses over, and then retest that place, turning it to support. And then what do we see? A very long spike, guys. A very long spike. All right, if you keep checking, you see more and more. You can see another one here. It happens here again. All right, this is how to catch multiple spikes. It's very key. It's very, very easy, guys. So price crosses over, all right, and then closes above the indicator, and then boom, it goes to the upside. Excuse me, guys. So I'll show you how it works. Show you how it works with crash 1000 or crash anything crash. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. So for crash 1000, you want to be on the safe side. You want to make money easily. All right. So you don't want to be buying crash, and especially if it's in an uptrend. All right. You want to make sure that crash is in a downtrend, and you want to catch multiple spikes. You want to catch spikes. You want to make sure that crash is in a downtrend and all right. Excuse me. So yeah, for crash 1000, you want to catch multiple spikes. You want price to be going down. All right. You want the market to be on a downtrend, and then you want to wait for price to get to your key resistance level. So you sell. You want to be looking for selling opportunities. So you sell, guys, and catch a lot of spikes. All right. So how does it happen here? Okay, this is it, guys. This is one example. All right. This is one example. Price crosses to the downside. All right, crosses your moving average to the downside, and then it spikes. All right, a lot of spikes. It keeps happening, guys. You can see for yourself. This is another example, guys. This is another example. Price came out the way, broke through the moving average. All right, and retested moving average, and then started spiking to the downside. So this is very very easy, guys. It's very easy. You can do it for yourself. Feel free to chat me up if you have any challenges. I'll drop my WhatsApp link to the description of this video, so you can reach out to me anytime, any day. Take care, guys.